Hey everyone, Paul with North Point Insurance Group here. So I wanted to follow up on my last video where I went over steps 1 and 2 of what to do if you're in a car accident or your vehicle is involved in some sort of incident. Now I want to go over steps 3 and 4. So step 3 is get a witness statement. If there's any witnesses around when the accident or incident occurs, just walk over there while you're filming the incident. While you're filming the scene, walk over there and see if you can get a quick witness statement. Like I said, when the cops show up, it's more of a he said, she said kind of thing. So you want to make sure that you have as much evidence as possible showing that you were not at fault. So witness statements are always going to help you if they're not willing to stick around. Get as many witnesses as possible. Number 4, call your insurance agent. Give us a call. We can always advise you on scene. Obviously this is all after you've already made sure everyone's okay and not hurt. But give us a call. We can advise you further on what to do. Get your claim started, call you a tow truck, all that kind of stuff. If you guys need anything, give us a call.